Create complex designs and explore parametric variations with Grasshopper, the industry-leading solution for algorithmic design, which is natively available in BricsCAD BIM. Choose your design parameters and visually program generative solutions in Grasshopper as mass models. You can input DWG geometry and create generative mass models, then convert these into 3D solids. Leverage the power of artificial intelligence with tools such as BIM Quick Building to complete models and receive analytical feedback. From there, you can generate drawings and iterate the process. Extend your BricsCAD BIM AI-powered workflow with generative design and freeform modeling. The possibilities are as limitless as your imagination.